Welcome back. Welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most practical and powerful ways to use artificial intelligence. Not as something complicated, not as something technical, but as something simple, a personal assistant. Now, think about what an assistant actually does. An assistant helps you stay organized, save time, handle small tasks, and keep things moving. That's exactly how AI works when you use it the right way. See, the mistake most people make is they try to use AI like a search engine. They ask one question, they get one answer, and they move on. But AI is much more powerful than that. It's much more powerful. It can actually help you think, organize, and execute ideas faster. And isn't everybody trying to save time? For example, instead of staring at a blank screen trying to figure out what to write, what do they call that? Writer's block. You can ask AI to help you get started. I guess that works. Instead of trying to mentally juggle everything you need to do in a day, you can actually ask AI to structure it for you. Now, instead of getting stuck on a problem, I've done that quite a few times, and I'm sure you have, you can use AI to brainstorm solutions. And this is where things begin to shift. Because now you're not just using AI for information, you're using it for support. And that's the mindset I want you to take from this part. It's not just a tool. I know I say that a lot. AI can function like a thinking partner that helps you move faster. Now, let's make this practical, because the real value of AI shows up in your everyday life. Let's start with something simple, like writing. A lot of people struggle with writing emails, messages, or even social media posts. Not because they don't know what to say, because getting started actually takes time. With AI, you can say something like, write a professional email asking to reschedule a meeting. And it seems like almost instantly, you actually have a structured message. Now, you're not starting from scratch. You're editing instead of creating from nothing. And that's actually kind of important when you're trying to save time. And believe it or not, that's how you save time. Another example, a great example, is organization. You might ask AI, create a daily to-do list for someone running a small business. That's going to help somebody out right here. And the AI can break your day into manageable steps. Now, instead of you feeling overwhelmed, you actually have a clear path forward. Now, let's go a step further. Let's say you're working on something and you feel stuck. You can actually just sit back and ask AI, give me 10 ideas for promoting a small business. Now you got a marketing assistant. Now you're no longer sitting there trying to force creativity. Did I talk about writer's block? Yeah, I talked about that. You're actually building from a list of ideas. And this is where AI becomes powerful, because it removes that thing that we call friction. Friction is that moment where you pause, where you hesitate, where you overthink. And nothing at that stage actually gets done. AI actually helps eliminate that. It gives you momentum. And I'm going to tell you something. Once you have momentum, everything becomes easier. Now, I hope you've been following along, because here is the most important part of this lesson. Using AI as an assistant does not mean replacing your thinking. It means enhancing it. AI should not be making decisions for you. AI should be helping you organize your thoughts, explore ideas, and move faster. See, you are still the one in control. You are still the one deciding what works. And that's what separates effective AI users from everyone else. See, you don't rely on AI blindly. You collaborate with it. You ask better questions. You refine results. They take what the AI gives. They take what the AI gives them, and then they make it their own. So instead of thinking, let me see what AI says, shift your mindset to, let me use AI to help me move forward. That's the way to go. Forward, always forward. Because at the end of the day, the real power of AI isn't that it can do things for you. The real power is that it helps you do things faster, clearer, and more efficiently. Think about that for a second, efficiency. I kind of love that word. If you start using AI like an assistant instead of a search tool, you will immediately, instantaneously notice the difference in how much you can get done. And you know what? In the next lesson, we're going to build on this even further. We'll look at how AI can actually help you learn new skills faster. It's like having a built-in tutor, believe it or not. All right, see you at the next lesson.